All right, now we're on Instagram. Welcome to Instagram, by the way. Let's learn how to use the green screen effect so we can actually dance in front of a photo. Are you ready? Let's do it. All right, so now we're going to go inside of Instagram. We're going to go to Reels. You want to hit this little arrow button when you get in here. It's going to pull up all the options. Right there, effects is where you want to go. Now, I already had the green screen pulled up, but they have so many because so many people are able to create apps. But we're going to select the one that primarily comes with Instagram. This is theirs. Now, with here, you can change the background. It's right there. If you click change background, you can either pick something out of your gallery, which I have so much stuff in my gallery. I'm just going to go with what's in their gallery. So I pick one of theirs. Now you want to set the timer. Once you set the timer and add the music, once you hit the play button right here, it'll count down for you since you have the timer set. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, enjoy yourself, dance, express yourself, whatever it is that you want to do. Here's the final results of that is going to look just like this.